Hi everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. Today is Monday, November 23rd. It is lunchtime. It is a gloomy Monday. It might even snow, and I have a lot of trades to make. I enjoy trading so much that on the weekend I actually spend time planning out my trades. So here is everything yesterday that I had planned to do today. Obviously, dude, everything's like shooting up right now, so I'm not going to be able to get these exact prices, but I'm gonna do my best, see if I can roll everything for a credit. I don't like rolling for a loss. I like rolling for a profit. I'm going to roll my AMD strangles, my Twitter strangles, Tesla strangle, Spotify cash secured put, Workhorse cash secured put, and maybe I'll roll my Bank of America strangles. It's not looking good. I might have to do for a loss. I might close these out and just take the hit. I'm not sure. I'll see how I feel. So let's go Tesla first. I already have it queued up. Let me just, so if I just like filter by Tesla, I want to show you guys why I'm a little worried. Oh, it's not in the money. Tesla dropped. I think Tesla tanked. No, this is so weird. Right now, Tesla says it's 518. Why doesn't it say it's in the money? It is in the money. Regardless, here's why I'm worried about this side. So you see, I sold it for $10 a contract, $10 a share. Now it's $43. I am at a $3,300 loss right now. So I sold this. So this contract states I can be forced to sell someone 100 shares of Tesla at $510. Right now, it is $519. So if someone were to exercise this, they'll be making $9. Here's why I'm stressed. I don't have 100 shares of Tesla. This is why I have to roll it. So I do still have 3 weeks. What is this? 25 days to expiration, but I don't want to run the risk of someone early exercising. So I'm going to roll this to kind of reduce my risk. Let's do that right now. I already have it queued up right here. So buy back the December 510, 330, and I'm selling January 15th. I'm selling the 590 call, and I'm selling the 420 put. 420, no reason other than that's the magical Tesla number. So if I sell this, I should be able to get, let's choose like the midpoint, 740. So I should be able to get $740. I am rolling this. Right now it's in the money, and I'm going to be rolling it another 30 days, and it'll go out of the money. Let's see what happens. I do want this to get filled. There's a lot of volume on Tesla, so hopefully it does get filled. Moving on to AMD. What did I have planned for AMD? So let me just color this yellow because I already did it. AMD, I want to roll to 72 and to 105. So right now, I'm not at risk for AMD. Hey, this didn't get Tesla accepted. Come on. Don't be annoying. 7. There we go. For AMD, I have a strangle December 18th for the 67.5 put and the 9 to 5 call. I'm actually, I will be closing this at a loss, but I'm not at risk of being in the money. The thing is, I just want to roll out, just get some additional credit. It is too close for my liking. Right now, AMD is at, where is it? AMD is at 85. What would it need to go in the money? 1.1%. I'd need around 13% for it to go in the money, but I'm going to roll it because I am happy overall what happened here. Create order, go customize, add a call, add a put. So I'm going to sell 10 and 10. So I will be going, I think I wanted the call to be at 100 or 105. So let's go January. I want it to be 105. 105. It would get me here. So I'm trying to sell, like my new way of doing business, I guess. I'm trying to sell for at least $1 on my strangles. Weird. This isn't as much as I thought. Weird, weird. Do I sell? Do I risk it? Sorry, guys. Doing some quick mental math. 85. I wish it was 102.5 here, but let me do this for now. I will be able to get, let's say 90. I'll be able to get $900 for this. Rolling it. Great. Order filled. Let's go. So did I get what I wanted? Oh my God. I was planning on a $1,400. I should have went more aggressive. I was planning on making $1,400 on this. You know, it didn't work out. Everything is increasing and I wasn't planning on it. Ooh, sorry. I did Twitter instead of Tesla. No big deal. Twitter, let's see what happens to Twitter. So Twitter right now, a lot of people try to close, you know, the rule of thumb is close when you're making at least 50% profit. I'm making way more than 50% profit for this, so I am going to close it and roll it out. My plan was 38 and 55. That's what I'm going to roll it out to. I can't believe I highlighted the wrong one. Create order. Shout out to the train. Hopefully you guys can't hear it. So I'm doing 10. I am closing out my December 18th and I'm rolling them out to January 15th. 60 days, kind of the magic number there. So my call will be 55. The annoying part, like I wish they gave me, right now there's no options between 50 and 55. But what can you do? Let's go 38. What am I making? I'm making 56, 57. What had I planned? 490. Okay, a little better than I thought. So let's close this one out. What am I going to make? Another $10 here. Send order. I'm making $570. Hope that gets filled. Whatever, we can manage that later on. Okay. What else did I have planned? Bank of America. I hate this so much. I'm going to leave this to last. I'm not making a lot of money on it. Workhorse. I am loving this stock. I wish I bought Workhorse. Sometimes buying and holding the stock, you make more money. Take a look at this, up 9% just today. So let's see what Workhorse is looking like. So I think I sold this a week ago, maybe 10 days. So within 25% of the time, I'm making more than 50% of the profit. This was a December 24th, 15 put. So I'm going to close this. What am I doing? Where's that button? Custom. Add a put. Add a put. So if I remember how to do this correctly, December 24th, you have to buy back the exact call. So buy back 5 of those. I'm going to sell January 15th, the 20 put. Let's see how much money they give me. Not that much. 5. Okay. What are we looking at here? I will be making around, I want to make more than this. Let's go, let's hope for 190. I'm rolling it out. Another 30 days. Well, I think it was 21 days and I'll be making 1,000 US. I hope this works out. I had these planned. Workhorse. Well done. Spotify keeps going up as well. Not by much. Spotify up 2.5%. Nice. I should be able to close one of my Spotify shares, Spotify puts. Again, within 1 week, or I think it was 10 days, 10. So 30% of the time, I'm making over 60% of the profit. I sold one contract for $400 and I should be able to buy it back for $120. So this is awesome. And I am going to roll this. So custom again. Whoops. Custom. Add a put. Add a put. Buy back December 18th at 220. I'm going to sell a new one January 15th at 230. I should be able to make, let's aim for right in the midpoint, $400. So I'm rolling this out. Let's aim for $400. Today seems like a good day. Okay, Innovia. Take a look here. I have 3 weeks left on Innovia. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, Innovia. I should be able to close out for $48. I don't want to open a new one. 0.16. I don't want to open new puts on this. I just want to close it out. $48. Neo keeps going up. I don't think I filmed this. I filmed this off. I traded this off camera. Neo. I sold naked calls in Neo at 75 for $165 a contract, but we'll manage that. We'll manage that later. What else am I doing? Hyliion's looking good. My Bank of America strangle. What made me do this? I don't know. I did all this. I really don't want to be in Bank of America anymore, but I'm kind of bitter and I don't want to close out a loss. So let me close this one out here in front of you guys. I don't know what to do. Is it in the money? Yes. I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm going to decide on Bank of America off camera. I can't make a decision right now. I don't really want to close this one out. I just want to see what else. Oh, I ended up updating all of this. So if you just want to take a quick look, one thing I want you to note about my AMD strangle. Sorry, let me zoom in. So I had closed the 67.95 strangle, but because I was making so much money on the 60, I ended up closing it out at a $740 profit. So initially I had 95 and 60, but then the way you manage a strangle, one of the ways is the untested side, you can roll it up. And that's what I did. And it still ended up working out really well. So I made 740 realized here, and I just realized another one. I will go and update these, obviously. So here's everything that's happening in November with my cash secured puts. Again, I'll update this for all the trades I made today, but you could tell it's going really well. Almost 7,000 realized in November so far on these puts. Let me quickly take a look if I need to do anything else. I am losing money on almost everything else, but no big deal there, guys. I hate this Bank of America. I wish I was out of it. Chewy, can I close this? I can probably close Chewy. Okay, this is something I hadn't planned. Take a look at this, 53 days left, and I'm already making 55% profit. So why hold on to this? No one ever lost money taking profits. So let me close out Chewy, and I might open a new one if they go down. So let me just explain what's happening. January 15th, 50 put. I sold 3 for $161 each. I can buy them back for $74 each. And this is just within 10 days, 10 out of 60 days. Let me go 0.73. Buy to close for $219. Anything else I need to manage? My Innovio calls, I can probably do that as well. 50%. I'll come back to this. I'll probably save this for another video. Neo losing money here. That's unfortunate. I'm so bitter about this Square play. The day after I sold, the day after I sold these 2 naked calls, Square would have had to have made, I think, a 35% jump. And now the day after ended up shooting up 5-6%. And I'm missing out. I'm missing out on $1,700. I'm pretty upset about this. I still have 53 days. It's not in the money, so I'm not at risk of losing anything. I was planning, so with one of my YouTube friends, Think Money, we were planning on doing a Beyond play, a cash secured put if they went down, but they ended up shooting up, so I'm not doing that. Anything else I need to do? Please call me out if you see anything that I'm doing wrong. I want to thank everyone for telling me how to properly roll. I didn't know about that custom button and that you can roll everything all in one go. So this looks really bad that it says I'm losing, unrealized losses, but we can work with that. So if you see here, I'm going back to the Bank of America. I'm so upset. If I close these out for $1,000, like I'm still only losing 170, but I don't know. I'm gonna make a game day decision, maybe off camera. I can't really think about it now. I think that's it for today. If we go back, is there anything else? I want to show you what Tesla is doing. Tesla, like if you guys do day trading and you're wondering about indicators, take a look at Tesla holding on for dear life to VWAP. So VWAP is one of the indicators I use, as well as RSI. But look, it is the second it hits VWAP, it is bouncing up. I don't know. This is it looks like it's consolidating here, and then it'll make a decision. I'm not good at day trading. I do day trade options, but not stocks. Okay, this video is above 15 minutes. I'm going to stop for now. Thanks for tuning in. I am going to be doing some trades offline. I just need to gather my thoughts. I need to do some more technical analysis on Bank of America, but I will come back with a decision. I'll let you know what I did next week. Thanks for tuning in. Check out my next one. Thanks, guys.